the CZ Scorpion. Oh! Made it to the range. We got lots of weapons on the table. We got the boys down here. We got our little range. Catherine and Alex over there. How we feeling, boys?
Feeling good. Amazing, dude. Yeah, it's a fun day. Pretty hot, but
it's not too bad. It's like 85.
Yeah, but it's just the sun's on you, you know?
Yeah.
So we're getting the pistols in right now. Then we're going to back up for ARs, and then got some tannerite and a little bit of plates or skeet shooting today. So
dope.
Got it all.
Got a beautiful property here. 20 acres of land, little pond. Goes all the way down here. Beautiful spot.
Rocking and rolling, baby.
What Glock is it?
It's a Glock 20 Gen 4.
Dude, the compensator on this thing too with the X300, ridiculous.
How'd it feel?
Where's your button?
Other side.
Oh, you're lefty.
Yeah. Yeah, all the guns that I can set up for lefty
Oh,
are
that's
lefty.
so weird. I
Dope.
forgot.
Dude, that thing's sick. CZ P10S carry gun, little hollow sun optic. Alright. Then I'm gonna do one with the bag here too. Dude, I love this bag. This thing's so sick. Alright, we got the bag here. Then you also have this rip tab. So you can go. Pretty sick. Dope.
Okay, you're still on safe, so to move it off, I want you to get it into the position, and then we'll have you flip it off safe.
Okay. Cool.
What are we shooting?
We're shooting the Scorpion, the CZ Scorpion. Dude, these zip ties gotta...
How did that feel?
Dude, this thing's sick. Little sub gun.
User.
It's dope. Dude, these zip ties are killing me. Garrett's gonna blow some shit up. Hi. I couldn't see that one. Dude.
What the fuck?
Is that high?
That was a little high. Yeah.
Oh, you hit it.
You hit it.
Hit it.
You
You
hit
probably
it.
hit the cap. Oh!
There you go.
Deserve.
All right, boys, no stock. Ready?
Yeah. It's fun, dude.
That's super fun. Nice. You could I want to see you one hand that.
I'll one hand it.